Imagine waking up one day, checking your phone, and seeing that a 17-year-old just made more money this month using AI than most adults make in an entire year. Sounds fake? Well, while millions of people are still scrolling social media for entertainment, teenagers around the world are quietly building AI businesses from their bedrooms. And the craziest part? Most adults still have no idea what's happening. But by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how they're doing it, why this AI gold rush is only beginning, and why ignoring it right now could become the biggest financial mistake of this. A few years ago, making millions online sounded impossible for teenagers. You needed investors, connections, employees, offices. Now, a laptop, internet, and AI. That's it. And this is where things become dangerous, because AI is changing the rules faster than schools, governments, and even parents can understand. Think about it. Some schools still teach students how to use calculators properly, while teenagers are building AI systems that replace entire businesses. That's like teaching someone how to ride a bicycle, while another person secretly builds a rocket ship. There are teenagers using AI to create faceless YouTube channels, run AI marketing agencies, sell digital products, automate businesses, create AI influencers, build apps without coding data. And before you think, oh, this only works in America, no. Teenagers in Pakistan, India, Dubai, Europe, Africa, and small towns nobody talks about are entering the AI economy right now. Some fail, but the ones who learn early, they gain an advantage that could change their entire future. And wait until you hear about the 18-year-old who built an AI business so fast. Even experienced entrepreneurs couldn't believe it. But first, if you want to understand how AI is changing money, business, and the future before everyone else, make sure you subscribe to Earn AI Mystery, because the people who learn AI late may work for the people who learned it early. So how are teenagers actually making millions using AI? Not by getting lucky, and not by watching motivational videos all day. They're using leverage. AI gives one person the power that used to require entire teams. For example, one teenager can now write scripts with AI, design with AI, edit videos with AI, create websites with AI, run ads with AI, and even build businesses with AI assistants. 10 years ago, that would have required an office full of employees. Now, one focused person can do it from their bedroom. Meanwhile, some people are still arguing online about whether AI is good or bad, while teenagers are quietly turning it into cash. One of the biggest opportunities right now is faceless content. Why? Because attention is the new oil, and AI helps people produce content faster than ever before. Channels are growing using AI storytelling, finance mysteries, future predictions, tech documentaries, luxury psychology, and automated educational content. Sound familiar? Exactly. That's why channels L. Because most people don't need more entertainment anymore. They need information that helps them survive the future. But here's the scary part. AI will not only create millionaires, it may also destroy millions of traditional jobs. The people who adapt early could gain freedom. The people who ignore it may spend years trying to catch up. And this is why smart teenagers are moving fast right now. They understand something powerful. The AI revolution rewards speed. But there's one massive mistake destroying most beginners before they ever succeed. And if you avoid this, you instantly move ahead of 90% of people. Most people consume AI content, but never build anything. They watch, scroll, save videos, get excited, and then do absolutely nothing. Meanwhile, someone else takes action and changes their entire life. The truth is, AI alone will not make people rich. Creative thinking will. Discipline will. Consistency will. The teenagers winning with AI are not magical geniuses. They simply started earlier than everyone else. And while others wasted time doubting themselves, they experimented, failed, learned, improved, repeated. That's the real secret. And honestly, Imagine explaining this to someone in 2015. Yeah, a teenager uses artificial intelligence to make cinematic videos from home. People would think you escaped from a science fiction movie. But now, this is reality. The biggest opportunities in history usually look ridiculous in the beginning. The internet looked ridiculous. Social media looked ridiculous. Bitcoin looked ridiculous. And now, AI is entering that same phase. The question is not whether AI will change the world. It already is. The real question is, will you use it early enough to benefit from it? Or will you wait until everyone else already understands the game? If you want content that helps you stay ahead in the AI era, then subscribe to Earn AI Mystery. We cover Understand Smart Money, future businesses, AI opportunities, and the hidden psychology of wealth. Because in this new world, information is no longer power. Applied information is. And trust me, the next generation of millionaires is already being created. The only question is, will you be one of them?